Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. My gosh, dude. I'm telling you what, when you got gains like this in Shiba Inu coin back up above 1,100 points in a single day, it is amazing as a reminder of what Shiba Inu coin does. Let's fix this camera a little bit. It looks a little tilted. And then we're going to get into the chat here in 2 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, who do we have first in the chat today? We've got Pudgy. Yo, Pudgy, what's going on, man? Shred up, Pudgy. PS5 Future Gaming, Shredda, Ken Griffin, Juanita, buenos tardes, Juanita. I hope you're having a great day today, Juana. Shredda, Pudgy, Shredda, Matthew, Pudgy, Shredda, Pudgy, Nufo, Shiba, Inu to Pluto, ahoo. Yes, man, Tim Hogan, Shredda, Shredda, Pudgy, Tim. Mike, Tim, Pudgy, the Nelson channel, Shredda, Pika Power. Clay is right here, Pete. I am here this time, right? She says, where's Clay? I want to make sure that I am here this time and you guys aren't messing with me. That is correct, right? Yeah, I know I was a minute late to this one, but I'm here. It is all good. Once I get the seepage out, I'm going to kill the rest with isopropyl alcohol. Pudgy, I have no idea what we're talking about, but seepage is a weird word, dude. Weird word. Yes, there he is. Boom! Pika. Perfect. I like it. Guys, let's jump into the market and see what we got going on right now. AMC to Pluto. AMC bouncing back. $12.50. It is going to end green today. I love it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get this little green run going into the after hours trading here. GameStop up 4.17% right now, not bad at all. $140.78, up $5.64. That's what I was trying to get at there. Man, it is looking like I did pretty well on Clovis today, as it is pulling back at $1.63 at the moment. Got out of this $2.15 mark. Very, very nice trade there today. I'm happy with that. Look, I can re-enter if I want to, but at this point in time, we're going to see what happens if we get that pullback. Hey, you know what? It was a very strong day today. Tomorrow might try to retest some new highs. So if anybody is in that right there, hopefully you're making some money. If not, I'm sure you're going to have another chance as it continues to run. Turning back a little bit green, bouncing off $1.60, sitting on $1.65 right now. NASDAQ still up 2.5% on the day, 2.73% higher. GameStop, 4%. Bior Therapeutics, 60.5 cents right now. AMC sitting at $12.50. Ethereum down slightly on the day. After having a nice pullback right there. Ethereum sitting at $11.25. Shiba Inu coin, 35% higher right now. My gosh, Shiba is a beast, baby. Shiba jumping up to 1,200 points, back down to 1,100 points right now. Volatile is all get out, but it is looking very nice on the day. And this is the level that we are expecting. This little blue line right here, this is the level we're expecting to get that resistance in and potentially close under today. But looking very nice, trying to retest that 1,100 point per coin range and potentially, look, get back into the same range that it was in before, as Bitcoin, as we all know, would be back up here to the $28,000 to $30,000 range if it was doing the exact same thing that Shiba Inu coin is doing right now. So Shiba Inu coin outperforming the overall crypto market at the moment, looking very good. Sundial still up 12% on the day, sitting at 35 cents per share. Mullen Auto, $1.50, just trading back and forth between $1.40, $1.50 and $1.51 right here. Man, you ever I don't know if it was because I'm talking, just got hungry. Literally just got hungry sitting there. CEI, 46 cents right now. The SPY's up 2.5%. SPY dipping a little bit right there. BBIG down 0.1%, or 1%, sorry, not 0.1%, 1%, sitting at $2.15. Highcroft Mining sitting at $1.36. Netflix, $170. Redbox is sitting at $11.66, down about 3% of the day. And Clovis, like we say, at $1.64 at the moment. Let's watch Bitcoin, see if we get any action going on over here in Bitcoin. Julius, good afternoon, everybody. What's going on, Julius, my man? How you doing? Sauce salt into the wound. Boom. Get it in there, man. Let it sting. Of course, Shiba's up. Closed out my Coinbase account. Wait for the deposit to clear. And Shiba goes up. No worry. Hey, Mark, man. Look, I'm not going to lie to you, okay? It doesn't always happen that way. It always seems like it happens that way. But at this point of the game, man, I don't think it's that bad of a decision to consider your broker. When everything is going great, and look, this is not to trash Coinbase or anything like that. I would rather trash places like Celsius before I trash Coinbase. Coinbase just warned people. Celsius, on the other hand, freezing assets. Like, you can't even touch your money in Celsius. So this is a time to consider your broker, okay? like we say, Coinbase has made that warning out there that in the event of bankruptcy, your assets could become their assets. Now, it's not necessarily to say they're going bankrupt or anything like that. Liquidity issues in Celsius, no warning, man. No warning. They just take your assets. So double check your broker. Make sure you guys like them. Make sure you like them for the right reasons, not just because they have cool colors and their user interface, their UI is nice and pleasant. Make sure that you like them for some solid reasons out there, and you're willing to go the distance with them. I do think some more brokers will fold during this bear market, and hopefully they treat these people that are their customers with respect instead of just saying, oh, yeah, forget you, man. We're going to take your money and run. What's up, Jay Smoke? What's going on? Jay Booms, what up, bros? Outdoor Smile. Oh, my gosh. Man, I say I'm hungry. This dude hooks me up with a cheeseburger. Outdoor Smile. I actually had a cheeseburger on Sunday. Wasn't even as good as the one you just gave me. Outdoor Smile, man. Thank you very much for that super sticker. Just hit the spot, dude. Now I'm ready to go. I need to wash it down. Simon, your plaque is still okay. It did not break. It was leaning on the water bottle or something. And I knocked it down. But I promise, it's still okay, man. Still intact right here. Still ready to go. Oops. Didn't mean to break that bad boy. Let's get it away from the water bottle so we don't do anything damage there. What time is it? Oh, yeah. 3, 2, 1. Let's get started. It's called Lick and Stick. Tilt the head back. Eye contact. Very important. Here's to you. Peel the banana. Pop out. Gang. Boom. Yeah, John Jay knows exactly what to do. Sounds like John Jay has gotten some practice in over the weekend, ladies and gentlemen. Sup, ball? Been a while. What's going on, Ed F88? To your Coinbase. If my assets are your assets, your wife is mine with Tim. That is actually, it's very appropriate, man. It's very appropriate. Yeah, I like your analogy there. I think that they would probably reconsider. All of the fellows there that work at Coinbase would probably be like, oh, dang, maybe we should change the rule. So I say go for it, Tim. I say go for it. Is it true AMC shareholders voted against Adam Aaron receiving another bonus? Nufo, I sure hope so, man. I sure hope so. I did not see the results of it, but I did, and I don't know if it was for a bonus, but I did see a vote, and I did not, like I said, I didn't see the results. But I thought it was for a pay increase. I didn't know if it was necessarily for a one-time bonus or not. But, dude, does he think that he's going to get a bonus? Come on now. Mr. Aaron, do you think that you're going to get a bonus right now? You are literally still in business. What is this, man? I don't even know what Pika Power just did. Hey, bro, YouTube has a new option to give someone a subscription, just like Twitch. What did she just do? Did you do it? And who did you do it to? I grab your green names from Pika. Yeah, I don't even know how to do it, man. I don't even know what she did. I didn't even mean to break the stream. Well, you did, Pika. Something new just happened right now, and I don't know what went on. Who knows, Jonathan? What in the world did Pika just do? Let's see. We got Mark L. We've got the Nelson channel. I don't know what's going on right now, guys. She created a You OnlyFans account. Yes, she definitely did, John. She definitely did. Pika, I love you. Pika is amazing, guys. Hey, I don't know if she's handing them out right now. I don't know if this is like a random thing. If this is what's happening. If she passes it. If you claim it. I don't know what is going on right now. But Pika is amazing. I don't know if this is a recurring basis, if this is like a one-time thing. Hopefully you guys aren't on Pika's payroll for like the next 6 months or something. But, man, Pika incredible. Guys, there's 39 of you in here. Pika just did something for everybody else, okay? And I don't know, right, I don't know if, like, this is something that somebody claims, if what the deal is with this. I think I see 4 out of the 5, maybe all 5 have already been claimed here. Guys, 39 of you, I don't care if you got to say it twice. You guys better be blowing the chat up for Pika right now. My goodness. Pika power, queen of the chat today. My goodness gracious. Guys, seriously, I don't know how she did it, but thank Pika for what she just did. Getting you guys some green names out in the chat. Really showing some love to everybody else right now. Pika, thank you very much. I don't even see you guys saying thank you yet, so don't be a bum. Thank Pika Power for what she just did. You got a green name, you got a green name, you got a green name. Everybody's got a green name. Pika, thank you very much. Pika is the power, baby. We love Pika. Yes, we do. Jonathan Lawson got one, too. Yes, man. Jonathan's got one. I think Ed88 got one. Matt Zabian got one. Very nice. We've got Markel got one. And who was the first? Nelson Channel grabbed one. Very nice, guys. Yeah, Jonathan got one. Heck yeah, rev to $10 tomorrow. Gonna go nuts when YouTubers start covering it. Almost 80% short interest. Paul's not related to Ajma. I remember this now. They got similar names, but they are not brother and sister, husband and wife, or cousins. They are not related. Look, dude, Redbox scares the crap out of me, okay? I don't know if Redbox is going to $1 tomorrow or if Redbox is going to $10 tomorrow. Or $500 tomorrow, okay? Redbox filed bankruptcy, dude. You are literally floating on a cloud if you are getting in Redbox right now. I thought it was way too risky to get into Redbox when it was up to $1.50 the first day that they announced it and they started rolling. So be careful if you're touching Redbox, man. Buy some long-term puts if you want, because unless they dilute the snot out of shareholders, unless they come in and they've got some magic authorized shares and raise billions of dollars, they're very likely to go through with their bankruptcy proceedings, and the shareholders are going to be the one that's footing the bill. So beware. Yes, thanks to Pika. Heck yes, Pika is amazing. I didn't mean to stop the stream, Clay, bro. Pika power. You walk in the room, ooh, everybody stops and stares. Pika, seriously, thank you. I don't even know that you could do that. You're obviously the first person that has ever done that. I think that is incredible. A little tutorial, if you would so please, to demonstrate to everybody else what you just did. I don't even know what you just did. Is it something that 5 random people claim? Is it something that you just gave them a green name for a 1-month time frame? Like, what happened here? I don't even know what happened. Pika's incredible, guys, and you better not stop. There's 43 of you in here. Literally, do not stop. She gave you guys a green name, for real. Where's Juana's older sister? John Jay with Juana's younger sister. Pika Power Ranger Girl. Heck yeah, Spider Claude. Welcome, everybody. Let's go for all y'all. Heck yeah, 10 Ds. There's 10 Ds for all of us. Made some money on Rev. Ed F88. Very nice, man. You missed my super chat. Missed the green waves from Pika. Thanks for going the fam. Oh, I missed your super chat? I did, man. Lucky's thoughts. Thank you very much for the super chat. I was bewildered by what Pika Power did during that thing there. Shiba Inu, first place for... Dude, Shiba Inu is rolling, man. Shiba Inu is... I hope you guys watched my video this morning. Shiba Inu coin is in a perfect position as an investment right now. To sum up the video, if you guys haven't watched it already, go watch it if you want a little bit more detail, but I'd assume you either did or don't want to watch it at this point. Cryptocurrency is going down. Shiba Inu coin is amongst the least of the losers. Bitcoin down 5-10%. Shiba Inu coin down 1-3%. It is amongst the largest gainers when cryptocurrency is doing well. Bitcoin up 1.75% right now. Shiba Inu coin up 32%. It is literally giving, and this is probably not sustainable forever, right? The best of both worlds. When it goes down, it barely goes down. When it goes up, it is soaring in value. So Lucky's thoughts. First place gainers and first place losers is perhaps just as important, if not more important, that it maintains value. New Nufo with the unicorn, man. Nufo with the unicorn on freshly cut hair. We got to see how long this horn is right here. Can we do it, Nufo? Oh, we can do it, man. We can do it. Nufo, man, thank you very much for the unicorn. Really appreciate that. Gotta tilt the camera up a little bit more. We almost had the horn off camera there. Nufo, thank you very much. Chris, thank you for the super chat. Chris says, what's with the green names? Did I just miss something? Early day off work. Love the heat. Feeling like a diamond cooking. Jacked, baby. Yes, you did miss something. Pika Power passed out 5 green names. I don't even know how she did it, man. I don't even know how she did it. She just gifted 5 memberships, and she said, you might as well open up a Twitch account, Clay, because we're twitching right now, man. We're twitching right now. We're handing out memberships. I need 27 more, Pika. Hook a brother up. Let's get 27 more memberships right now. Do it. Plan on buying Shiba. Heck yeah. Hey, Mark, Shiba doing very well right now. Look, I don't know if these gains are going to be sustainable in the fact that it might calm back down a little bit here in a minute. But it is looking very nice today. Looking very nice. Touching 1,200. Back down to 1066 right now. I get it. It's much more volatile than the rest of the pack. But it is looking very good today. My gosh. That unicorn was popping, baby. That's what happens when you get the fresh cut. You do the unicorn. Nufo, man. Thank you very much for that. I think I'm going to sell when people get off and FOMO in hard so I can buy in lower and get 1 billion. Good choice, Clay. Dark. Yes, it's a good choice if that's what works best for you. That is very similar to what I have done, okay? I've shaved a lot of my cryptocurrency position, and I've actually got the majority of my crypto right now sitting in USDC. I still think we're short-term bearish. I still think that we've got more downside to go before the cryptocurrency market and the stock market for that matter. We had a great day today. But before the both markets rebound, I think we got further downside. So I've made the decision to scale back and put into a stable coin where I'm just sitting earning 9% annualized interest. I'm not going to make any capital gains on that crypto there. So that was my decision to make. And it's completely personal, right? A lot of people, they've got a mentality where they don't want to stress about having to time the market. So they simply continue to dollar cost average in. They believe in the long-term success of the crypto and stock markets, so they just continue to dollar cost average and add to their position, add to their position, and add to their position. Other people will just, they're strapped, right? They don't want to risk any more exposure, so they're just going to hold through it at that point. So kind of 3 different, aspects of what you can do. But I've decided to do what you're thinking about doing there. Shaved, move over to USDC, and then when I believe something with interest or inflation, my goodness, these people need to stop texting me. Interest or inflation, all that stuff starts to calm down a little bit. I think we're going to, I'll be moving back into crypto. What's up, Clever family? AMC Trapper in the house, baby. What's going on, Trapper? Happy Taco Tuesday, everyone. Heck yeah, Mexican tacos or American tacos. Dude, I'm not going to lie. I don't know if I've ever had like an authentic Mexican taco. Clearly, I've gone to Mexican restaurants, right? But, dude, there's these accounts on TikTok. These dudes make some tacos out there. It makes my mouth water every single time I see them. Delicious. It goes up, it goes down, and in 3 years, we will all be smiling. Yeah, Mark, I think you've got, and nobody wants to wait 3 years, right? Yeah, 3 years is forever. But, dude, I mean, if you're reasonably and responsibly able to load up for a 3-year period, and let's say we do see some lows, similar to lows we saw back in 2018, 19, 20, and all of a sudden, your coin's 50, 60, 100x. If you're able and responsibly, I always want to say responsibly. I don't want to see anybody go take an equity line out on their house and go into crypto and then end up homeless because it doesn't recover before you're able to make your payment. But if you're able to responsibly load up and you've got a decent amount of money in there, and all of a sudden, dude, you 100x to get back up just to all-time highs, right? And then beyond that, at $10,000 is $1 million, man. If all you could afford to load up on was $1,000 and you're sitting on $100,000, you don't think 100x on your money is going to be life changing? It absolutely will be. So I'm excited also, man. 3-year time frame, bring it on. I'll still be here. Oh, okay. Well, welcome number 1, welcome number 2, welcome number 3, welcome number 4, welcome number 5. Whoever you bros are, heck yeah. Oh no, I missed Taco Tuesday. Ed F88, never miss Taco Tuesday, man. Pika, how did that work though? Did you just throw it out there and people claimed them, or did you did you get to pick or what? Cliff, the recession is still to come. How will it affect Shib, seeing is how we are rebounding right now? Should I wait for it to go lower before I buy big? So Remy, here, like I say, man, it's got to be a decision that you make. I personally think that it's still going to go lower. If you see a recession looming, I would also think that you're of the same mindset that says crypto, stocks, they're still going to continue lower over the near term as this recession unfolds. Now, if it's a modest recession or a mild recession or some sort of a soft landing like these old guys are trying to tell you that it's going to be, we might not see that big of a drawback, that big of a pullback, and so on. But you have to remember, too, one of two things is going to happen. We're either going to need to see an actual economic rebound, meaning inflation, interest rates start actually coming down, and people are able to live, man. I don't know who these guys think that they are. They'd say Americans are more comfortable now than they've ever been. Literally, food prices are up 50 to 100% everywhere. We just talked about chicken breasts this morning. Gas prices are up $100 or 100% everywhere. Rent prices are going up. Mortgage payments will be going up if you don't have a fixed mortgage rate. So there's a lot that's affecting people negatively right now. And if you think that's going to continue going on, the logical thought process, so the stock market and crypto market will continue to get hit until that stuff turns around. Do you buy in now, man? I personally don't think it's the bottom. I think we got further to go. But like I say, there's nothing wrong with just a solid dollar cost average approach where you responsibly continue to invest, whether it's going up or whether it's going down, because you do have a very long-term mentality and believe in the future there. Clean up the office with Clay, bro, before going home and playing with the kids. Hey, 10 Ds, man. That actually sounds like a very nice evening, dude. I hope you really enjoy that. Clay, you're a taco. J Bones, dude. Chicken or beef, man? What are we? I'm going to say beef, dude. Let's go beef taco. Let's talk about Luna Classic. Please, AMR, Mo Send. What do you want to talk about, Luna Classic? I think the burns are drastically slowing down. A lot of the interest has slowed down a little bit, which is going to result in a little bit of a decrease in volatility. Now, that's good for people who are wanting a more stable coin, and bad for the day traders that come in and can see that they can make 50 to 100% in a single day there. So a little less attention than it had before. But nonetheless, it does seem to be stabilizing a little bit instead of continuing its death spiral. Don't know much about crypto, about Bitcoin, and it was like first time it majorly dropped. I don't know who takes who takes Chime besides Robinhood. Oh, Chime, the bank. Right now, kind of like, hey, tell me what to buy, and it's a wrap. Chris, I actually don't know what all bank accounts everybody takes out there, but I do know that, like I've been saying, man, if you are thinking about buying Bitcoin right now, I personally think it's got more downside to go. I'm going to have to reassess the situation, I think, when we get down to that $10,000 area. I think that's the next major support under the 17 that we're kind of bouncing around, that little range we hit at the end of 2020. I think we could see, $10,000 per Bitcoin and so on. And if these people don't have their act together, it could get even cheaper. But dude, I seriously believe in the future of Bitcoin, man. Even if they try to destroy it, and they do, like even if they do outlaw it and all this crap that a lot of these old guys are talking about, one day the young guys turn old guys and they become in power. And don't go out there and buy $100,000 worth of something that you can't see for the next 30 years. But dude, if you're sitting on, a couple Bitcoin and you're just willing to see what happens with it, yeah, man, it could really turn into something once all these younger guys become the older guys and have the power. Danelle is in here. Clicky that likey. Come on now. pull your homie. We're going chicken, homie. Let's get it. I looked into it last night. YouTube chooses the first 5 people who chat without green names after being gifting subscription very nice, Pika. Okay, so it's what YouTube decides then. It's kind of like a spam the chat right now type deal. Anybody that's typing first in the chat that doesn't have a green name. And here's the thing that I really liked about that. It took a while for some non-green names to type in the chat, man. And Pika, it is, I hope it's not like, they're literally on your payroll for the next whatever. I hope it's just a 1-month type deal or a 1-month subscription type thing like that where it's non-recurring. You don't have to worry about it. But nonetheless, man, passing out a green name, shoot, in my opinion, that could be better than a super sticker, right? Then everybody in the chat could literally show up green, and it's literally the same price as a super sticker, right? So Pika is amazing. Guys, listen, don't forget to thank Pika. If you haven't already, passing out 5 green names like that. Pika definitely queen of the chat today. I'm calling it. Is today just a tease? Nufo, in my opinion, yes, but it doesn't have to be a tease that ends today. You know what I mean? We can trend in this area. If we look at a daily chart on both Bitcoin and Shiba Inu coin, we can see, man, that Bitcoin down here in the bottom left, today's a nice little day. It's only up about 1% right now, but retesting this 21,005. There's nothing to say that we can't come back up here and trend back up to 24 and then curl back over and come back down to 20 and fluctuate between 24 and 20. Very similar to how we did here, going between 28,000 and 32,000. You know, that $4,000 range that we continue to fluctuate in. There's nothing to say that we can't do that down here, fluctuating between 20 and 24, 18 and 24. You know, something along those lines. Even 17 and 25, man. Bitcoin is cryptocurrencies are volatile. So in my opinion, yes. Overall trend is still down, but we could see some shorter term trends. That's why I say if you guys are trading, if you're swing traders or day traders, you know, you could get some of this short term volatility and make a cool 20% and then cash back out and play the channel and cash back out and play the channel and cash back out and make some money on the way down. And then when it does hit 10,000, 5,000 or whatever it ends up falling to, you'll be able to buy in a little bit heavier down there or continue to trade while you're down there and leave yourself exposed to the upside. I think that's important once things start to turn around. Leave yourself exposed to the upside. Nobody wants to sell it. You know, it drops to 5. Nobody wants to sell at 8, making a nice 80% gain, or what is that? 60% gain, 5 to 8. And then all of a sudden that 8 that you sold everything at was the beginning. And it's back up to 80 before you know it. And you thought it was too expensive to get in at 9. You got to leave yourself exposed to the upside. Don't leave yourself exposed outside, but leave yourself exposed to the upside. So my Counter-Strike skins to buy Shiba, but it's getting my money in 3 business days. Shiba went crazy. Hey, Bowmander, it could absolutely be back down by the time that happens. Yeah, plan selling today. Hopefully it goes 7s, 6s before layer 2 happens. I know that's a massive game changer for Shiba. How much you plan on having Clay? I want $1 billion. You know, Dark, man, I don't know what my goal is going to end up being, but I will say this, okay? I've been saying this about Shibarium. It is going to be a game changer, but I think it's going to be a longer term game changer. I think a lot of people are going to be disappointed when it comes out and they don't see millions of people flocking to Shibarium to use that layer 2 blockchain. I think you're going to have a rough start, but as time goes on and more people do adopt it, you're going to see a lot more benefits from that. Where we at? Good afternoon, Nick F. What's going on, man? Made a short trade with Doge. It was fun. Made $26. Hey, Ronald, dude. $26 is $26, man. A lot of people laugh at, well, I only made $26 today. Dude, you made $26 today. Like, come on, man. You make $26 every single day. You're rolling, dude. You're rolling. So, very good, man. Have some fun with it. And making $26, you're killing it. Think we're getting 24, 25. Yeah, definitely agree with you, Clay. Ronald, sweet, dude. Pika, are those green names your new monthly chart? I hope not. I paid for 5 people's 1-month subscription. Cat stickers. Pika wins. Gifting subs. Everybody wins. Yeah, cat stickers. Pika wins. Gifting subs. Everybody wins. Man, seriously, Pika, I think that is awesome. I really do. And I'm glad it's only a 1 month thing. You guys got green names for 1 month now. Use it. If you want to keep your green name, you're going to have to get it. Don't expect Pika to keep passing them out forever. But I do think that's awesome, Pika. Thank you very much. What does burning mean? Who does it and why? Greg, so burning, essentially, think of it the same way as you're going to burn an actual dollar bill. You take it out of your pocket, you burn it. Nobody ever has access to that dollar bill again. It is out of circulation. Done. The same thing happens with Shiba Inu coin. What you do at that point is either forget your password, literally, if you forget your password, you'll never touch your money again, or send it to a wallet that has no password. So people send it to these burn addresses, and nobody can ever send that money out of there. It is locked. It is out of circulation for good. What that does is reduce the overall supply. If you've got a token that has 500 trillion coins, and you've got a token like Bitcoin that has 21 million coins, Bitcoin can reach prices like 80,000. Shiba Inu coin at the same valuation, I believe, would be capped. Oh man, I don't know where it was. Shiba Inu coin would be capped at a quarter of a cent. It would be capped at 0.0025 at that point. And Bitcoin is trading at 81,000 or 80,000. So that's the difference in burning. Why people want to reduce the supply. Red box is dipping. Still play. Hey Ryan, I think it is. I think that they had, and I could be wrong, man. I don't know. I haven't looked at the numbers too much. But they had a lot of warrants, I thought, in the $11 area. I could be wrong. But we're seeing some more stocks flood in here as people were able to buy in that $11 area and then sell in that $11 area and make some money there. But, man, Clovis still coming down to $1.50 there. Did pretty good getting out at $2.15 today. I like it. I like how that trade went there. Pika is queen. Pika's queen of the chat for sure. Jay Smoke, what's going on? You have 25 million in Dude's got $25 million. Now that's what I'm talking about. Exactly. Shredded in Ukraine also has wheat, corn, oil, gas, and neon that Russia is seeking. Ooh, they need it. Are they going to give it to them? Let's go back down. Sing! I think his name is Sing. I still don't know how to say it. You know what? I'm going to see if Google knows how to say that name really quick so I can do it right. You guys can't hear this, right? I don't want to I don't want to get any. Sing. All right, cool. Got him. Sing, man. Thank you. Sing, Amit. And I got to get Emma D too, man. I missed it. Sing. Thank you very much for the super chat. Sing says, Shiba to the stars from Fremont, California. Sing, let's get it, dude. And thank you very much. Emma D, I got you. You ready for this? Meow. 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 Thank you very much, Emma D, for the super chat and the super sticker. Really appreciate you guys. That is a win for Pika. It's a double win today. Everybody is winning. I love it, guys. Late response, had to catch up. Just use Bitcoin as an example from when I very first got into the market. Had it for like a day before I knew anything. Hey, man, look, here's the thing, though. Sometimes that works out in your benefit. If you don't even know anything about it, man, like the people who didn't know anything about it back in 2010, if you just decide to hold it, it can do amazing things, man. It really can. It doesn't always have to be an informed decision. Sometimes you just got to have a little faith, right? Remy, Wana is, I don't know if Wana is lowering or not, but it would be pretty, oh man, now it's interesting. I don't know what's going on. Clear, bro, how much Shib you holding or estimated? Wesley. I am positive on my Shiba Inu coin at this point in the game. I know it is low 1,000s, but from shaving and then adding a little bit, I am positive right now. So positive on my Shiba Inu coin. I don't usually discuss the amounts that I have. Just know that my average is in the green at this moment. But like I say, guys, I have shaved and I have moved the majority of my crypto over to USDC until this bear market calms down a little bit, so I'm not sitting here on, 100% losses or anything. First, haters will hate, but you know what it is? It is fine. Let them hate. I was first. Simonino, you missed it, Simonino. Pika Power passed out subscriptions to everybody. She said, you get a green name, 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 you get a green name. That was 5 you get a green names because she passed out 5 subscriptions to people. MOAS soon, 428 to 436 inbound. Let's make it happen, guys. 428 to 436. Where are we at? 428. Yeah, we can get rid of this one. 436. Outdoor Smile. You can't come in here with these predictions and then act like, oh, well, it was just a guess, man. It was just a guess. Well, we're going to know if your guess is correct or not. We got lines on the chart. MOAS incoming in this time frame right here. We are definitely going to be keeping our eyes on that time frame, waiting for Outdoor Smile to be correct or incorrect. I don't even know what Boxed is, but yeah, Boxed was moving today. I know Boxed was up big. I'm green on Shib today. Tim, nice, man. Oh, no, Peak. I missed it. You did, man. She was passing out. Romeo Power. Yeah, dude. RMO was up like 30+% today. I don't know why they bounced on today's news. I believe Romeo Power said that they got from the New York Stock Exchange, they received a non-compliance letter or whatever. So I would assume they got to get back up above $1. I don't know if they're going to end up just, getting an extension or what the deal is. But people reacting very positively to that news that they were not compliant with the minimum listing requirements there. So, yeah, Romeo Power actually doing pretty well today, up like 30% at the point that I was looking at it, and it is on my watch list. I did a couple videos on them a while back when the SPAC acquisition took place. Oh, no, I missed it. Yes, you did. Best crypto channel. Love the vibe. Bomander, man, thank you very much. Really appreciate that, guys, because there's a lot of crypto channels. There's a lot of stock channels. There's a lot of investing channels that are out there. So really appreciate the positivity, man, that you guys bring in here. For real, we could just sit here and argue all day like the rest of the internet does, but you guys are the best, man. You're the best. Someone else sent you something if you have a P.O. Box. Dude, Simonino needs something right now. Oh, Simon missed it. Simon, I dropped your plaque earlier. Good thing the floor is carpet up here because it was a scary situation, my friend. Is it really, Shredder? We can start at 8 p.m. and still get in 9 holes. Do it, man. It's not too late. It's the longest day of the year. It is the longest day of the year today, yes. Today is the first day of summer. Congratulations to everybody that is in here. It is summertime, and it's 91 degrees outside right now. So it is summertime, and it is hot. Green candle, inbound. Ladies and gentlemen, Wes really comment because my phone is dying, and AMC always rips when my phone dies. Nice. Chris, AMC is inbound, guys. It is inbound. Watch the MOAS happen on that little chart right there. Jonathan Lawson says, thank you very much for the green name. What are we going to do right now? We're going to teach you how to properly lick and stick. You peel that banana, you keep eye contact. Jonathan, thank you, but I'm thinking about trapping right now. Eye contact intact right now. A little lick and a little stick. Jonathan, thank you very much for the super sticker, man. Really appreciate all you guys today. Absolutely incredible. And thank you. I don't know why you guys like watching me eat bananas so much, but dude, to each his own, right? Hey, Clay, if you were to buy a crypto-related stock, would you buy Mara or Coin? I would not buy Coin at this point. I would either buy Mara, Riot, or there's another one that actually performed pretty well today. Applied Bioscience? What is the... AMC Chavez closing his eyes. Yeah. That's what you think. Applied Blockchain. Here it is. This one got beat down recently and is up 20% from where it was touching just a couple of days ago. So, if we look at this is a new one that just came onto my radar when it got rocked in the last couple of days here. I had a buy order in. It must have been on this day right here. So last Friday. No, I didn't have a buy order in on last Friday. I don't know when it was then. I was going to get in at $1. Okay, but I did not end up getting in at $1. This decline right here is a couple of things. It is the fact that Bitcoin, obviously cryptocurrency, is getting hit very hard. And this is a daily chart, guys. This is just about a 2-week period, going from $5 down to $1. And it's done this before. Very similar pattern, right? Going from $5 down to $1.75 and bouncing back up. This time down to $1, and it seems to want to bounce back up. Now, don't go buy this just because it's cheap or whatever. But if you come out to the news, you can see that. Let's go back to a couple of days ago. Where are we going? Second in a row to low 98 cents. Yes. Okay, so announces expiration of share lockup. Insiders, if a company goes public, and I don't know when these guys went public here, if it was more recent or what the deal is, but for some reason, and this could have been an acquisition trading down here at literally nothing. I'm not 100% sure. But for some reason, there were shares that were locked up, and those shares became available to sell off. Now, when that happened, man, people were extremely willing to sell off, knowing that this stock had been in this range down here. And if you go back to 2 years ago, you could see that it was just literally pennies, man. It was 4 cents. So wild gains, and when they were able to sell, that is exactly what they did, is they sold. So I don't think that I care too much for the fundamentals of this company. They're making about $1 million a quarter, which is not bad. That's I don't know about Q3 2022 here. That don't make too much sense. Maybe that's when they released their last. I don't know. I don't know why that would say Q3 in 2022. But they're sitting on $11 million in assets. And if you go down to the total liabilities, they have $24 million in liabilities. So they are underwater in terms of book value. They've got twice the amount of debt that they do assets. It is a risky business at this point in the game because crypto is falling. But hey, man, if Bitcoin goes back up, and I don't know what crypto these guys are sitting on, but if Bitcoin goes back up, just doubles in price or so, we would absolutely expect this stock to go back up. But a lot of this decline here is the fact that they were down. So this is all to say, this is another option if you wanted to look into something that is volatile and you'd rather buy a blockchain stock than an actual cryptocurrency. This is another one you can add to your list of potential companies to get into. But I also like Riot, not just Mara. Riot blockchain as well. It has been coming down with the overall crypto market. It was back in November, sitting at $46 per share, and currently down to $4 per share. So down 90% just since November. Cryptocurrency clearly down as well. But 2020, man, this stock was like 70 cents. 50 cents. The stock was 50 cents back in 2020 and rose all the way up to $75, $79. So even better. There you go. And that was a very long answer. And look, dead center as I missed it. We've got the MOAS happening dead center of the block here. Outdoor Smile. I don't know what you win, but you definitely win, man. We had the MOAS candle right there in the middle. Very nice, dude. Simon, you're superstar to me. Live in the Congo. Simon lives everywhere, man. Simon, I've seen your saw game on video. Superstar, baby. Superstar. Does anyone have a physical crypto wallet looking for input? No, Mark, I don't have one, but I have actually, I've got, dude, oh my God, what is this? Christoph or something? I got a couple guys from some company wanting to send me a Ledger wallet and then, have a discount for these Ledger wallets. I get so many emails. I got to respond to these guys and tell them what's up, see if they want to do it. But, I could do some sort of a review on a Ledger wallet if they want to do something like that. And send me one, and then if you guys do want a discount, there's a likelihood that they're going to be able to do an affiliate link with discounts if you are interested in that. I currently do not have a cold storage wallet. If anybody else does, let me know you guys' thoughts on that. Sounds really bad, like reptile snakes. It's a snake, man. Ledger is easy and user-friendly. 222, very nice, man. We get some positive reviews already. Risky Business, Tom Cruise first movie, maybe The Outsider, something. Well, Zimbabwe, the Congo, same thing, right? Close enough, Biga. It is. It's close. It's the same thing to me, Pika. Oops. Outdoor smile. Don't be oopsing nothing, man. You got it dead on. Click. When is the clucking? Well, the clucking moass happens when chicken prices soar. And they're already trying to start the clucking moass because they're burning down barns, man. Losing 50,000 chickens to a barn fire. So I believe they're already starting to implement the clucking moass here. But we have to remember that we are here for the AMC moass. The clucking moass is going to be more expensive for us. It's going to be bad news unless you guys are trading chickens. If you are long on chickens right now and they continue to diminish the chicken supply, you're going to be doing very well. Remy, yes, there are wallets like a credit card. Stainless steel, baby. Stainless steel. Mark, that is actually pretty cool. Al Sharpton Rewind, 30 minutes of film. It's there. Let's go. Chris, Endless Love Taps. I don't even know what movies we're talking about right now. Peek it. Done contracted tours in Africa. There's a big difference. Well, Tim says there's a difference in Zimbabwe and the Congo. Well, I wouldn't even know. I have a treasure. Jacob, you like it, man? You like it? Look, at this point, I don't know. You know, cold storage is awesome, but I don't know. I think that there's problems with cold storage too, dude. If I was to set this anywhere other than a safe, I'd probably lose it. I'd probably put it in my pocket, and all of a sudden I jump into a swimming pool or something like that. Welcome, Ed F88. See y'all. Thanks, Clay. Thank you so much, Pika. Gotta run. F88, man. Gonna be seeing you for the rest of the month for sure. Use that green name wisely, man. And then I hope, right, you guys obviously aren't obligated to do anything, but pay it forward, man, because Pika paying it forward like that is incredible. I just like to keep my crypto in as many places as possible. Jacob, nothing wrong with the diversification of storages. And by that, I mean, decentralized. If you've got essential, a couple different centralized brokers, decentralized brokers. Maybe you're going Crypto.com wallet. You got a Coinbase wallet. You've got a Trust wallet. You've got a MetaMask wallet. You've got a who the heck knows what wallet. Maybe you got a cold storage and you're on Coinbase. You're on Crypto.com. You're on Voyager. At this point in the game, I don't think that that's a bad strategy because we're seeing a lot of brokers go belly up, man. And diversifying between brokers could limit that downside risk. It might get annoying trying to keep track of every one of your assets and every one of its locations, but I mean, dude, imagine having $1 million in a Ledger wallet and all of a sudden you lose your Ledger wallet, right? You lose your password. Imagine having all your money in Coinbase. Coinbase goes bankrupt and says, forget you, we're taking your money. Everything would have to go belly up in order for you to lose if it was diversified. Tim, that's a lot of Yardbird. Something Yardbird chicken was the first chicken and egg. Was the first chicken and egg? Nah, man, the first chicken was a chicken. Gotta be a chicken. I have a Dickies wallet. Well, that's good, man. You got one of those little chains that go on it and hook to your belt loop too. Again, why would someone burn their coins? Doesn't that mean you lose your money? Greg, yes, it does. That is why I do not advocate any single person burning their own money. Now, let's look at it from a different perspective. I don't think you should take your money out of your wallet and burn it. I think that's bad. I don't think that you should just take your Shiba Inu coin and be like, take one for the team, and burn $1,000 worth of Shiba Inu coin. But let's say you have a business, okay? And there are businesses out there like this. I'm going to use some real world business examples. You have a candle company. The Burning Shiba Inu Coin Candle Company. And there's a lot of candles out there, dude. Nobody wants your candle. What the heck's the difference in your candle? So you're not really selling many candles. But now all of a sudden, you say, you know what I'm going to do? You buy this $20 candle, and I'm going to burn 20% of the profit in Shiba Inu coin. Well, all of a sudden we found out that it takes $5 to make the candle. You're selling it for $20. You got $15, 20%. You're burning $3 for the Shiba Inu coin. Great. People jump on board. They like the fact that you're supporting the community. They wanted a candle anyway. They're going to buy off you instead of buying off Yankee or whatever these candles are because, you're supporting a cause that they're supporting. All of a sudden, your candle sales increase, dude. You're selling 10 candles a week, man. You're killing it. 10 candles a day, one day. You know, you're being supported by people that you're supporting as well. You're leveraging sales. You're saying, I will burn. People are saying, I will buy because you're burning. If you're not burning, I'm not going to buy off of you. Coffee company. You're going to buy coffee anyway. Why not spend $7 on a bag of coffee from some coffee company that's going to burn Shiba Inu coin on the profit? So leverage your sales in order to burn coins is a much more sustainable and I guess scalable approach, in my opinion, than you taking money out of your wallet and just burning it. Sharpton, I had to approve your comment. YouTube has a dirty mind. I didn't even know what he said. I prefer my prison wallet. What? Oh, I have a Diggy's wallet. Okay, prison wallet. Yeah, Diggy's wallet, man. That's cool, dude. You get a little chain hook to it. Get your skateboarding in before you come to the live stream. All good there, Al Sharpton, right? Coinbase is backed by millions and has been around the longest. Not going anywhere. Hey, Matthew, it is backed by millions, right? But, you know, if we look at Coinbase, it is in a dangerous position. I'm not going to just sit here and say Coinbase has no worries whatsoever. So if we look at Coin, we come out to their financials, we look at their balance sheet, and we see that they have $6 billion in assets. That's nice, man, in cash and cash equivalents. That is nice. Hopefully that is their cash and not your cash that they're talking about there. Total assets of $20 billion. I don't know if you guys can see that right now, but they get total assets of $20 billion, almost $21 billion. We come down here and we look at their total liabilities and see $14 billion. They're doing well, but they've got a lot of, their current liabilities being $10 billion, and they're sitting on $6 billion in cash and cash equivalents. Things could get interesting if their revenue continues to decline. And the revenue is declining, down 35% on a year-over-year basis, going from $2.5 billion in quarter 4 of 2021 to $1.17 billion in quarter 1 of 2022. So drastically declining, and I'll say this, volume has been declining since this release. And I would imagine their revenue is going to continue declining and should probably be below $1 billion during their second quarter earnings report, if they haven't already released it, but it's not out here. So I would imagine things could continue to get worse for them. And if they're not able to meet their obligations based on their revenue, they're not too big to fail, in my opinion. They're not too big to fail. I wouldn't take it as just a pointless warning that they got out there. How TF did Pika do that? I'll pitch in. Tim, I have no idea how Pika did that. I have no idea. I've not seen anybody do that. It was absolutely incredible. Al Sharpton, I had to approve your comment. Saw that. Man, all the way back down. Okay, we're going to go chicken or the egg. Egg came first because the protein in the eggshell is what makes a chicken, and chicken is not a hen. Chris, interesting concept, man. I would have gone with the chicken first, but all quite possible, man. I guess it depends if you're going from a biological or a science-backed standpoint or a science-backed point of view to something else there. Jonathan Lawson, gotta go, everyone. Thanks again, Pika. Jonathan, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate you. Got that green name for the remainder of the month, or for the next month, not just the remainder of the month, for the next month. Amazing. Jonathan, thank you very much for the super chat. Brent, thank you very much for the super chat. Brent says Shiba. Shiba's sitting at 1066 right now, back up above 1,000 points per coin, right at this level of resistance, guys. I figured it was going to have a little bit of trouble getting above this level and maintaining a price above this level today, but still doing very well on the daily chart, bouncing all the way back up to the next level of resistance on the chart here. It did pass it and come up to the top end of this channel right here, but it is back down a little bit, and that's to be expected, right? Sitting right here at the lower end of this channel, hopefully using this level as support now instead of resistance. But remember, this is just a one-day candle here. We need to see some follow-through if we want to maintain that level there. But yeah, definitely looking amazing today, up 30+% at this point in the game. We've got Roulette Wheel with the super chat. Roulette Wheel says, or if you are Matthew Perry and burning Shib brings you a clout, then it makes sense. Yeah, the Roulette Wheel, definitely, man. The dude is looked to as like a leader in burning Shiba Inu coin, Terra Luna coin, and things like that. Absolutely. But that's a trade-off, right? So I definitely think that is something that, he earns, and in return, he burns. So if you can earn, you can burn. And I don't think that's a bad strategy at all, man. Matthew Perry does a very, very good job of leading burn initiatives and burn communities and things like that there. So very cool in that regard. Jay Smoke, just don't spend all your millions at one dealership. Please don't spend it all in one place unless you're buying a Bugatti. Chicken first, how egg came. What do you mean if chicken was first? How did the egg come? Well, dude, the chicken was going to go reproduce there. I have magic powers. Cough the name. Cough the name. Pika power. Yes. Oh, the name. Yeah. Pika has magic powers. The name. I was a little slow on that one there, Pika. Sorry about that. Hope everyone has a great afternoon. Gotta go. Pika, thank you so much. You're the best, and I like the green name too. Yes, Mark, man. Awesome. Tim, but aren't we all, I know I missed something. Remy, chickens are de-evolved dinosaurs. Aren't we all just dinosaurs? Clever, I just want to say thank you for keeping the community together. When we are down, we are strong. We all appreciate you, Shib Army. Boom, man. PS5 Future Gaming. Really appreciate that, dude. Absolutely, man. Look, I'm here, whether you guys like it or not. Whether you want to be here or not, I'm going to be here. So, hey, when you're feeling down, come on in. When you're feeling up, come on in. It's going to be good overall. And the only thing I want to see is you guys still here on the other end of the market. I want to see you still in when prices are at their lowest and starting to rise again. I want to see you 20x, 30x, 50x, 100x your money when the next all-time highs are reached, because you believed in the future of crypto. Not because you believe in me, not because you believe in something else, but because you believe your money can do amazing things in the crypto market and in the stock market as well. Hey, the question of which came first, chicken or the egg, is debate about evolution versus creation. Is believe God created the animals, then the chicken came first. Evolution, egg first. Yeah, Frodo, man. And that's what, isn't that what everything boils down to, though? Isn't that what everything boils down to? Like, at its most basic form is just your beliefs on something. And unfortunately, you know, both if it is science-backed or I guess biblically backed, you have to have a little bit of faith in either one of them. It's just what you're willing to put your faith in. I want to say thank you as well to Pika You Rock Nelson channel. Pika Power does rock, man. Pika Power passing out 5 green names today. A good way to burn Shiba would be stake Shiba, burn the rewards. At least you don't burn your money. Hey, and 222, exactly right, man. That is still leveraging your position. If you're staking your Shiba and you're earning passive income that you know, it could be a small amount, right? It could be a very small amount, but you are still willing to part with that income. It is yours at some point, but it doesn't take away from your initial investment at all. So definitely another way to go about that, 222. Let's see. They should make a Flappy Bird game with a Shiba dog flying burning coins with that. Hey, Bowmander. They have made a couple like Brickbuster games and things like that also burn Shiba Inu coin. A Flappy Bird game would be very interesting, man. I do remember Flappy Bird. That game was hard. They didn't pull any punches on that one. Let's see. Welcome to Nelson channel. Have a great name. Yes. Have a great name and a great day. You do have a great name now, man. It's green. Let's see. Who's, you know, what do I have to you know, what to get a green? Ow. You either gotta, if you're on Android, man, you gotta click the join button. If you're on iPhone, you gotta copy and paste the link in the description. If you want to get lucky, you have to wait around and hope that somebody else does exactly what Pika Power did today and pass out some green names for free. But in the meantime, oh, Tim, man, I can't believe that Tim scared me like that. You gotta calm down a little bit, Tim. Oh, Tim, man, thank you very much for the super sticker. Tim, that's probably one of my favorite super stickers there. Gives you a little head rush, that's for sure. But it is definitely a good one. Tim, thank you for the super sticker, man. Close Joel Osteen of the market. Let's make it happen. Outdoor smile. Bottom line, at the beginning, God in the beginning, a dirt, which requires the most faith. Great. Either way, man, either way, they both require faith, right? Science doesn't require faith, Clay. If you do believe in gravity, you still fall when you jump off a cliff. Religion requires faith because no one can prove God exists. Yeah, but Frodo, you still have to, if you go into the whole, like, Big Bang Theory and things like that, there is a lot of faith that still is required in science, especially when it comes to different dating techniques. that nobody knows how much carbon was around. We know the rate of decay on carbon and things like that, but nobody knows how much carbon was in the atmosphere when all of these things were created and bangs occurred and things like that. So that's all I'm saying, dude. It does require a level of faith in order to believe things that can't necessarily be proven at this point or duplicated. Well, it rocks too. Thank you all for you do. You're one of the best YouTubers out there and does crypto and stock stuff. You have awesome energy and you're funny too, man. Thank you. Nelson Channel, man. Thank you. Thank you for having a green name, Nelson Channel. Pika Power. Pika knows exactly what time it is. Pika says, it's time to get hard. Like a diamond. Pika, thank you very much for the super sticker. Who else is hard like a diamond right now? Pika, you gotta be. Pika's got thank you very much for the super sticker, Pika. Really appreciate all you guys today. Incredible. Proud of everyone's comments. And man, and not many people do. Hey, Nelson, that's what the whole live stream's about, man. I can make videos all day and ignore people's comments if I want. We do the live streams to reply, to have these Q&As, to have these discussions, to build. Because look, I'm going to tell you right now, if you guys want YouTube stats, none of the subscribers, none of the views come from live streams. It is about interaction and about building community at this point when you do the live streams. Have some fun and, make those relationships there. But if a bear farts in the woods, anybody hear it? Does the fart smell? I hate apples. To the bear, it might. Normally scares me too. Mr. Simon didn't say what Simon said. Simon says something scared me. Missed it. AMC Trapper saying hard like a diamond. Rarely hard. Avatar smile. You gotta get hard like a diamond, dude. Come on now. What's going on? Switch Luxury Maker, Hublot now accepts Shiba. I don't even know what Hublot is. That's awesome. But what does it mean to spend Shib on something? What happens to the Shib after the sale? There's transactional tax. So Remy, if they use, I believe it's now payments. If they use now payments, they can integrate a transactional tax burn into their sale. If they're using Flexa or things like that, I don't know if they can. And they can still opt out of a transactional burn. They do not have to burn based on their sales. So what basically happens is that it's a great marketing tool for the business that does it. And it's basically, at this point, a novelty in accepting Shiba Inu coin. I'm not going to spend my Shiba Inu coin on anything right now. I think that it's low. I think that it can go up drastically in value. I would rather spend my US dollar because I don't believe my US dollar is going to gain in value the same way that my Shiba Inu coin is going to gain in value. So it does offer a little bit of novel utility, but the transactional burn is only if the retailer wants to burn a portion of the proceeds. Phone's on 5%, it's probably would die at 3%, because that makes sense. Dude, if my phone was on 5%, it would have been dead already. Almost as much as your iPhone, not having enough power to turn on, but always has enough to make the battery pop up. Yeah, Chris, what are they doing over there? They better tell us about that. Brent, thank you for the super chat. Brent says, you guys know what time it is? It's time to get hard. Like a diamond. Brent, man, thank you very much for the super chat. I know Brent's hard like a diamond out there right now. Anybody else hard like a diamond? Come on now, get it. It's an L, yeah. Pika, it's a girl's best friend. Those diamonds are a girl's best friend. Is a diamond really a girl's best friend? I feel like dogs, man. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Dog, man's best friend, like, I get it. Diamond's girl's best friend, yeah. But I don't know, man. You offer a girl a puppy or you offer a girl a diamond. I know it's going to be a decision, but just in general, not a wedding, not a proposal or something like that, but the 7 women that are in the audience right now, if you could chime in, if you were given just a diamond, like a loose diamond, okay, let's say it's a nice one, 1 carat diamond, right? Or you were offered a puppy, I'm going to assume the girl's going to choose the puppy. But that's an assumption. Nothing, no stipulations on it. Literally just a loose diamond, right? You find it on the street. You go for the puppy or you go for the diamond? I'm saying a dog might not necessarily be man's best friend, but that might be a girl's best friend. I'm pitching it. Well, Al, dude, enjoy your camping trip. I hope you don't get too many mosquito bites out there. and you're able to enjoy your little time off there, Al. Very good, man. What do you think about Cody Crypto? Ali. I don't really know anything about Cody, dude. COTI, I don't even know what coin that is. So unfortunately, it doesn't really give me much time to look it up and make a decision on it right now, but we can definitely look it up tomorrow if you come in a little earlier and ask about it. No problem there. Pika says diamond, let's go. Finally, for this time, I bought the dip payday, lined up when Shiba was 800. Mel Camino, very nice. Question is, are you going to be trading during the short term, or are you just loading and holding as the bear market unfolds? Girls love everything. But boyfriend, yeah, well, I mean, Mr. Samanino might be true for some women. They're all going to say diamonds. Pika is my best friend. Joyce says puppy. I'm not a girl. What did AMC Travis give me? AMC Travis says give me the diamond. Dude, loose diamonds are pretty cool, though. I mean, come on. You put a little. Here's the thing that you guys got to remember. Like a 1 carat diamond, you're just going to be carrying something around that's like this big right here. It's going to be tiny, okay? It's going to be tiny. Just a little 1 carat diamond like that. I don't know. What are you going to do with it? What are you going to do with it? Carat diamond, 1,800 to 12,000. Get the dog, man. I'm going to tell you right now, Outdoor Smile, you can get a purebred American bully that can cost you upwards of 12 grand, too. So, forget the dog. You start messing around with some of these expensive breeds, dude. It might be worth more than the diamond. So, if you're thinking about turning a profit, dude, it don't matter what type of dog it is. You can pick the dog for profit, too. And you might be better off on that 1 carat. You go 1 carat flawless. Shoot, dude, even VVS, you hitting the VVS's up. You're still getting some good money in there. But, yeah, dude, little puppy dog can be worth more than a diamond, especially an $1,800 diamond. These puppies are expensive these days. Hey, how those kneecaps holding up? Ow, dude, my knees are doing good, man. My knees are doing good right now. I gotta go diamond. I think you'd sell it and buy crypto into puppies. Like I said, man, depending on. I have diamonds and dogs. I would give up my diamonds for my dogs all day long. Emma D, I knew it. Danelle's going puppy as well. I really love your video. Oh, Ali, man, thank you. Thank you very much. Emma D, that is the most beautiful statement I have heard all day. Tim, we got nothing but beauty in here. Another weird candle with AMC. Yeah, right in the middle of that right there. Hey, dude, Outdoor Smile is probably the culprit. Outdoor Smile guessed the time frame perfectly. I think that might be a game we're going to have to play. Guess the time frame, because Outdoor Smile killed it today. Huge diamond. Pika says, let's go diamond. We want a huge diamond. What's going on, Matt? Go Shib. Joey, I'm not Matt, dude. I'm Clay. Docky, what's Docky sign doing? Long on dogs. I'm a 5-year-old grandniece with me, and she asked who's the silly man pulling faces is. Clay, bro, you trade during the bear market. I missed the Solana recovery and FOMO in just before it dropped again. I'll never. So I hate apples. I actually did have a stock trade. I got in and out of. I got in Clovis last week at 94 cents, I think Wednesday, and then I sold this morning for $2.15. So that was it. I don't know if I'm going to continue trading or not, but that was a very, very good trade, running from 94 to $2.15. As far as crypto, no, I'm probably not going to be trading any of the crypto during this bear market. I have moved the majority of my crypto over into USDC on Voyager, where up to the first 25,000 you're earning 9% on it. I'm cool with 9% during the bear market, man. I'd rather hold on to that money and watch this unfold than leave it at risk. So I doubt that I do any trading unless something looks ridiculously good, like out of nowhere. Bitcoin drops down to 5,000 and everything else is maintaining levels and it's just a whack drop off. And you're able to jump in on something like that. Or, if something I'm holding jumps up 50, 60, 100% in value overnight, doesn't look sustainable, I wouldn't have a problem getting out of that. Diamond hands, baby. Pika knows about the diamond hands. Heck yeah. Piggybacking off your Q&A from last week, 200 kilograms, 441 pounds, not 240 pounds. Yeah. I don't know what I was saying about 200, but I was talking about a dumbbell. The dumbbell was 100 kilograms. It was 226 pounds, I think, or something like that, 2.2 kilos per pound. Yeah, the dumbbell was 100 kilos, though. Anybody in here, as we're leaving, get a yes or no. Anybody in here, one hand lift, 100 kilogram dumbbell? That's my goal, man. I'm gonna get up to that goal in case I ever am in the in the United Kingdom and I see that guy standing around the streets of London trying to give away $1,000 to anybody that can lift a 100-kilogram dumbbell up. I will be training for that moment, and I will make it happen. But, guys, I can't believe it's 5 o'clock already. We actually had a lot of fun. Adios, Simon. Juana, you got to say adios to Clay, bro. Come on, Juana. Adios, Juana. Let's do these shout-outs. You guys let me know if you think you can or cannot pick up a 100-kilogram dumbbell. That is going to be my goal. We're going to make that happen. I don't know how long it's going to take, but we are going to make that happen, guys. Let's see. Shout-outs, and then we'll be back in about 2 hours with videos, 3 hours with videos. Make sure to like them, all that good stuff. Mr. Simonino, we saw AMC Trapper saying peace out to the Diamond-Handed Apes and the Shiba Army. Danelle, Milano, Mr. Simonino, Juana Silva, adios to you. Enjoy your evening. Mr. Simonino, Remy, Pika Power, incredible today. Guys, Pika Power passing out 5 green names, sorry. Incredible. Pika Power, you are amazing. Thank you very much. John Doe, Remy, Joey, Greg. We've got Brent, Shredda, Joey, Danelle, Remy, Diddy Do That, Outdoor Smile, Tim Milano, Diddy214. Adios, my Clet. Adios, my Juana. Enjoy your evening. Nufo, Shiba, Inu, Pluto. Ahoo. Yes, Pika Power. We are going to be dude, I hope they don't copyright me for that because I was singing that and it was pretty good. But either way, Pika Power, thank you very much for the dumbbell super sticker there. We will be training to lift that dumbbell, ladies and gentlemen. Juana in the chat, baby. Juana is always in the chat. Frodo, Frodo, enjoy your evening, man. Hopefully it's a nice 90 degrees in California as well because it is beautiful out here. Ali, Emma D, John, PS5, Ali. See you later, man. Aiden McHugh, cheers, bro. Cheers to you as well. Ali, Pika Power by Emma D, 11 Simon, LaRousse. Good work to you, man. Good work to you. I hate apples. Urgent. Stop plugging Sarah Luna. Deal in comments. Me or somebody else? Newfo, enjoy your Taco Tuesday. All of you guys enjoy your Taco Tuesday. Outdoor Smile, Rocky, drink raw eggs. I will not be drinking raw eggs, though. Pika Power, enjoy your evening. You guys know what time it is. If you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.